I'm Vikram Salunkhe from Accurate Gauging in Pune. This has been one of our successful shows, HIMTEX. Primarily our focus was on the customers in Hyderabad for the aerospace and for blade manufacturing and tool rooms. And we have had very good visitors during the last 2 days. And we also concluded some of the orders at this show. So it has been overall a very good experience. The organizing is very well. It's one of the very good facilities, air-conditioned facilities. So for the visitors as well as for the exhibitors, it's a very comfortable this thing. And small shows are very useful for companies like us who want to bring the products to the users, and this gives us a very good opportunity to share our knowledge and experience in this field.